Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to print a flyer for an open house. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your BrightMLS, which is brightmls.com. Going to search the property. So for this example, I'm going to do a rental. So I'm going to go to residential lease. And I'm going to type in the property address. Click on the property address. You'll see there is one result. I'm going to hit results. This is the property I want. So I'm going to click on the property so I can check it out. Then I'm going to go down here to print. So there's an option right here called flyer. If you don't see it, you might need to click more. So you will see then it'll give you all of these options and you can click flyer. Now, if you haven't set up your header and footer, I highly suggest it. That way it'll have your information. I'm going to show you without one. If you go to print, you'll see this is what it's going to look like. It's going to have the property address, a few photos, a nice little Google map, and information about the property, including beds, baths, square footage, the sale price, as well as the description. Now, if I hand this out at an open house, that's great. It has information, but it doesn't have my contact info, which is why the header and footer are so important. So if I come back to this dropdown and I add my header and footer, now you'll see when I hit print, it has added my contact information as well as it down here at the bottom. So this is the best way to have it. That way, when you hand this out, it already has your contact info so someone can reach out to you. I'm going to save this as a PDF, or you could just print it directly from your computer, whatever you prefer. I'm going to name it Daily Flyer Open House. I'm going to save it. Now, if you're like, well, Dana, I don't know where to do that header or footer, that's going to be back here in your account settings. You're going to want to make sure you upload your headshot as well if you haven't done that already. But in your account settings, this is where it's going to have all of your great options. If you come down here to MLS Settings, you'll see it has headers. And here, my information. And right here, header and footer. So if you haven't filled out this information, make sure all of this is correct. It has the correct cell phone number, brokerage, your name is spelled correctly. Then so you can go to header and footer and you can decide on which header you want, what information you want. So one thing I see is missing here is my email. And I definitely want to make sure people have my email. So they have my name, my brokerage, my office phone number, my cell phone number, and my email. If I want to change this banner, I can select a different banner image. And there's a whole lot of different options available. You can also upload a custom banner as well if you have your own logo. Here you can see, you can have something basic, blue, flags, beach, whatever your heart desires, mountains. So pick whatever, feels right for you. It's a great way to kind of show your personality. You can have it, keep it basic and simple. You could have something with like a sofa if you prefer. There's one with houses or outdoor furniture. There's some, waterfront properties. So pick whatever fits best for you. I like this red couch one, so I'm going to select this. I'm going to hit preview. I'm going to say, yep, that looks good. Save. And now this will be my new header. You can see this is what everything will look like. So I hope this is helpful. So you can feel super confident in printing out your flyers for your upcoming open houses. Again, you come to the property, you're going to hit print. You're going to want the flyer option. If you don't see that, click more, go to flyer, and make sure you check some of these out. You'll hit print. And now you can see it has header, footer, all good to go, and I can save this. I also recommend that you print out an agent full. This will give you all of the information so that you can refer back to it. This is a good thing for you to have on hand, especially because if any questions come up, it has the listing agent's contact info, so you can reach out to them on site. Hope this was helpful and you guys utilize this tool.